No matter where they end up in a profession or their private lives, they're likely to have a landscape. Students learn so much more if they can actually be immersed in the landscape and have their experience on a daily basis change. And then that helps them learn how to be critical thinkers. Corey is a design student with a minor in urban forestry, and he asked to do an internship this summer because he wanted a little bit more experience in managing spaces, public spaces, and we needed an intern.
Coming into it, I had some expectations of what would occur and what I could learn, and it was just blown out of the water. All the information that you can gain from something like this.
So what he has been doing for the entire summer is learning the management in the backyard farmer garden and in the Keim Courtyard.
Every day there's always something new, whether that's something new that needs to happen to the garden or just the garden having something new happen to it, whether that's a new plant flowering. It's fun just seeing how quickly these plants are growing and also how quickly the weeds grow and how quickly I need to manage those. But just all the colors that come in and out throughout the whole summer is really enjoyable to watch.
The fun part about his hands-on experience here is he's got a lot of mentors. So he works with the master gardeners directly on Thursdays. We wander about with him. We actually point out to him the kinds of things that he should be actually observing, and then asking him what he is going to have to do about that, if anything, helping him try to set priorities in a space that is always changing.
It's just learning to adapt to your environment because the environment is never the same. You can kind of predict it, but a lot of it is when it happens, you just got to be prepared to learn about the problem and figure out a solution for it.
You need to understand, gosh, there is incredible beauty, diversity every single day, every single minute.
You know, there's so much opportunity to learn. There's so many different things that can occur throughout the summer that you can be a part of. It's a really flexible kind of environment to kind of pick things that you want to learn about and really dive into learning about it.
To be able to say to a potential employer, I have actually done this. I haven't just read about it in a book. I haven't just sat in a classroom. And that gives them a leg up in terms of actual experience that they can bring to an employer.
It's just a great opportunity. I don't know, the people are great, the environment's great, the plants look beautiful, the flowers are amazing to look at. I've taken a lot of pictures of insects and different flowers, so it's just a great way to be in nature and make it look pretty.